exchanges as far as that seems to be taking place, but on the contentious issue of General Narawane's memoir or the unpublished memoir, that seems to have not surfaced in the House yesterday. As General Narawane's unpublished memoir leak was an attempt to bypass MOD clearance, according to sources, because sources say that there was a leak and it was done deliberately, and investigation are on to find the exact cause and the extract and the excerpts rather that is now being read out by the opposition leaders and online first, and of course when it comes to the PDF copy of the book which had flooded the market later, was done in a systematic and calculated manner. Let's connect with Priyank on this. Priyank, good morning. The Delhi police is already investigating on this because there has been a suspected leak when it comes to the publication, and the general himself denying that the book has been officially released.
Yeah, good morning, Amita. This is a major investigation for the Delhi Police Special Cell. After filing the FIR in this case, they have issued the statement that, I beg your pardon, they have been issuing summons to the Time Communication to join the investigation. But so far, the initial investigation has been suggesting that they are focusing that a pre-print copy of the book was dispatched before the overseas and which was being circulated through online websites or not. And the PDF copy has an international standard book, number A13 digital number, and the investigation is focusing on this. Basically, Narawane's unpublished memories book was leaked, and an attempt to bypass that was done by them. There has been an investigation by the Delhi police where they have been trying to find out the extract of the article published online and the first PDF of the book being released, whether there was a larger conspiracy or not. That's why an FIR under the sections of larger conspiracy is being proved by the police.
All right. So was the copy available overseas? Because a specific question was also asked as far as when it comes to certain platforms are concerned. Over their overseas applications, were it, available there? Because as far as Amazon India is concerned, if we type the book, 4 Stars of Destiny, it doesn't show, it doesn't reflect as far as in the search engine. Thank you very much, Priyank, for joining in. Well,